Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Jinjeeo brand electric heated blanket and it's not working and the controller might be flashing or might be showing you an E or an F error and you're wondering what's going on and what can you do to get your blanket working again. So this error is, all of these errors are almost always have to do with a poor connection somewhere, and basically what's happening is that the blanket is getting enough to electricity to run the controller, but not enough to actually heat the blanket because it needs quite a bit more electricity. So all you need to do to fix this is to go ahead and turn it off and unplug it, and then just check the wiring going into the controller, out of the controller, into the blanket, out of the blanket. Make sure nothing is frayed or loose or disconnected or damaged or anything like that. And then you can plug your blanket back in, but plug it back in, don't use an extension cord or a power strip, plug it directly into the wall. And if you plug it directly into the wall, get it snugly plugged in, and if the error goes away, what was probably happening is maybe the extension cord that you're using or the power strip you're using is just not heavy duty enough to carry the electricity that you need. So you'll need to either use it plugged directly into the wall or via a more heavy duty extension cord. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.